Marcus shifts, and you catch him watching Paul intently. I remind them of their baptism. Paul continues, his voice filling with triumph. They were buried with Christ and raised with him. God made them alive, having forgiven all their trespasses, having canceled the record of debt that stood against them. Canceled, you ask? Obliterated, wiped away like washing ink from parchment. Paul's eyes blaze with joy. God took that certificate of debt, every sin, every failure, and nailed it to the cross. Paid in full. So that our sins are erased until no trace remains.